solve the problem of the lack of caution in public schools, but also the amount of plastic and
Reusable
usual waste that goes into landfills. This
project
project is cost effective
effective
effective since plastic bottles are
often.
often used in their every household. Classrooms that are made of bottles are more
Spacious,
spacious and are built with
withstand
withstand strong
typhoons.
typhoons and earthquakes. How often,
However,
however,
precautionary
precautionary measures are good and good, but measures are still required to
assure
ensure that all that the will remain strong over the years.
good